Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I do have the Sony HT-AX7 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily check for updates in your application. The name of the app is Sony Bravia, and here in this application we have a tab Settings. Here we have a tab the Software Update. And as you can see, I don't know why, but I have some sort of a bug which shows your mobile device is not connected to a network when I am connected to the network. I don't know why does this happen, but here we just have to tap OK. And yeah, if you don't have this bug, tell me in the comments. And if you know some fixes, tell me in the comments them too. Goodbye.